Hello, Got Sorter Hour here. Today, I'm playing Teardown. Again, this is part 2. I hope you watched part 1. Fantastic work on my Mario. Looks like it worked, because they just cleared a construction permit for my new dock. Another thing came up. There was a classic car action up in Black River. The only day and only guy just kept overbilling me. Lawyers Lee Jr., that's youngest, who inherited the chem plant a few years ago, absolutely no interest in cars. He just looked for ways to rotate his dirty money. I'm not reading that. The one they used in the Seal the Deal 2, and Cloney Wilson. Personally, Jacob from Normandy. Lee is about to put these cars on a ship overseas and day now, and they'll be out of the country for good. If there's not chemical and I do know what is, can you help me acquire these 2 gems? Sure. Ooh. Fucking broke. Where am I going? This place? 4 cars. I got you, Gordon Wu. Oh wow. I see. I presume I got to drive the cars. Let's see where they are. Okay. Jeep on the boat. Probably drive the boat around here. I could do that. Ooh. I could probably drive the cars, can't I? Let's go. Okie dokie. Horse. Of course, it wasn't going to be that simple. Is the boat still round back? Yes, it is. I have a plan. We're going to steal this last. Clear the way. Oh, what? Oh, I wasn't... Okay, don't drive it in. Much easier. Oh, look at that. We're gonna raise the bridge. Whee! Okay. Get this on the other side. Trust me on this. Right there. Yeah. Then going to lower the bridge. Quick save. Let's see. I say we could perhaps get the crane. Probably a much simpler way, and I'm making it harder for myself. Oh yeah, I can drive the car out. Okay. He's ready. Let's go. So, the game plan. We take... Game plan. We take this, we jump out the window, we take the car, drive over here, we run upstairs, grab that, jump out, we drive that all the way down here, and plop it in. We then get in this car and drive in. Let's go. Quick save. And let's go. Oh! We've still got this. We've still got time. Oh god, you're in the way. Oh! I've got 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. No! Okay. Let's go. Whee! Oh yes. Whoa, don't know what happened there. Woo! Woo! I did it. All 4, baby. Ah. Not much work. Ooh. Oh. Home's coming along quite nice. Ooh, interesting. What a bed. Let's go check out. Let's go look around. See what's changed. Ooh. Fancy wall. What's in here? A bedroom. Cars coming along. I'm not gonna look at this. It's a lot better. I gotta know what's down here. Okay. 600 pounds. So, a bit of money. There we go. Oh. See what this is. Oh, it's the other guy. You don't know me, but I've been in a series of break-ins recently. In the last one, I lost 2 very rare classic cars. And guess what? I know who did it. Oh. Gordon Wu. That's absolute prick. Is now bragging to everyone at the club about his 2 new fan possessions. In the break-in caused me a lot of property damage, and I've looked to let Gordon test some of his own medicine. Since you're in the demolition industry, I thought, well, I don't know if you do this sort of work. Let me know if it sounds like that. Car wash. New location. Let's go. Dump at least 3 of Gordon's expensive cars in the wall. Ooh. So, put his cars in the ocean. This is who hired me? Guy is mega... I thought that was a pigman. Mega rich, and he just leaves his door open. He's leaving it too easy. Alright, where do I have to go? That big map. This guy has a racetrack in his own home? What the hell? What's this? Alright. Interesting. Parked outside. Oh, they've got alarms. Let's see. Gotta make a game plan, I guess. Where's the nearest ocean for all of them? That's me. I could start here. Then go here. Then go down here. Into here. Wait. I have to dump at least 3 into the... Does it have to be the ocean? Let's test that.
Move! Where's the nearest pool of water? Maybe I should have got closer to the water because I don't see one here. Ah! Okay, let's quick load, shall we? Is it a pool of water? No. Okay. Gonna be more difficult than I thought. It is a pool of water. Alright, let's try this. Okay. Good to know. Alright. Here's the game plan. We drive this car into the ocean. Then we take this one This was filled with water? Would be perfect. We need a quick method of entry for here. Not just destroy the cars, it's dump them in water. Man. Hey. I think it's all set. Let's go, Daddy-O. And let's go. It's in the way, isn't it? Okay, I didn't even get in. Ah, okay, restart. It's gonna be this one, okay? Oh, please. Just get the fuck in the ball, man. Thank you. Okay. Give up on that car. Full speed. Speed ahead! Move! Oh! Woohoo! Easy peasy. Yo, look at that. What can I say? I'm just too good at the game. Next mission. Whoa. You reached a new rank. Trespasser. I'll be passing soon. At your home. Yo, I got plants. Sick, man. I thought it was a grave. Not carrots. Let's just, get in, shall we? Alright, let's go in. Planks can be used to build primitive ramps. They can also be used to attach objects with planks to lift or drag heavy items. Bye. Learning, okay? Arm out. Yep. Go get some more, shall we? I didn't actually get money on that map. Now do hardcore parkour. Right. Anyways, I've been up all night digging through the login devices and managed to find a connection to the West Point Manor. I have been able to figure out more on BT, but Lee has been a warehouse in the West Point. I guess wherever fishy business he is up to, the Marine is not the final destination. I was thinking the boat GPS device can give me a idea where he is moving the products, especially if he could compare their recent shipping logs. Can you get them for me? Sure. We're going back here. Interesting. What is my goal today? A boat with an alarm? GPS on a boat? Thing on the upper floor? A boat? And a boat. Let's go, scout. Ah. C. I see OC. Ooh, money. There we go. Interesting. Assume they're all alarmed. Everything in this house is alarmed. Appointed. Quick save. Alright, let's think of a plan. It's annoying. But I could probably get that one last. Yeah, let's think about it. If I start here by grabbing that, especially if I ram it into dock, then I drive the boat into the water, get into the car, and drive the boat over here, grabbing this, going through the house, getting into a car, driving down here, grabbing it, getting into the boat, doing that. Let's try that. 3, 2, 1, go. This is the one. Leave. Oh, speed! Oh, no. Hey. Oh! And French there. Oh my god. That was way too fast. Look how much time I had left. Ah. I will, in the future, revisit these missions with mods, if you want to see that. Ooh. Pipe bomb? Ah. Pipe bombs. Let's go check on what's going upstairs. Ooh. New kitchen? Oh, fridge doesn't open. Interesting. I'm getting my new bed in. Fancy smancy. Check out what the next mission is. Another thing came to mind. Since the computers didn't include any details on BT, maybe there are documents in the safes that could bring some clarity. You have already done a lot for me, but if you have time, energy to go get them, I'll appreciate it. Ooh. Baby! Ooh. I see. Alright. Oh. They're all saves. Interesting. Let's go check out if they all have alarms, because if they do, it's going to be hard. Not even in the right building. Funny. Alright, this one is just a collectible. Okay. I think I'm locked in it. Help me! Hi, bomb. There we go. Up here. Run along here. Go here. Run along here. Yeah, nice. Move this stuff out of the way. Along here, jump here. Grab you, run along here, grab you, throw you down, then go in here, fucking move, chap. Quick save. Then we grab the truck. from here. Reverse it in between the two buildings. Like so. It should be good. The fuck? It didn't move. I didn't mean to start yet. This is the one. It isn't. This is the one, baby. Let's go. Okay. We're jumping now. Whee! I'm in pure concentration, you know. I really fucking hate when I stuck on the things. Ding moon. Okay, it doesn't matter, that's a side one. Wow, I really wish this was any slower. Yay! I could have done that. That didn't fall out the back. But hey ho. Next mission, shall we do?
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.